If you're an entrepreneur or an inspiring business owner, this channel is definitely for you. So stay tuned for more videos like this. Hey Divine Dolls, I'm back and today I will be dropping some gems for you, honey. Yes. Did you know that you can get free supplies for your business? But before we get into this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell so you can be the first one to be notified whenever I upload. Can you believe I found free supplies? Oh my gosh, for my business, that is amazing. And if you're an entrepreneur or an inspiring business owner, this information is just for you. I was on the USPS website and I discovered that they were giving away free supplies for my shipping, which is so convenient to have the supplies right at home with me. I actually have some stuff here for you to see. You most definitely should check this out. So it's USPS.com, create an account, and go ahead and select the items that you want. Also, they have free shipping. So free items and free shipping. After you add everything to the cart, you can go ahead and continue to check out. As you see, it's free. So log on to USPS.com, select supplies, and then you will see all the supplies that they offer. See, everything is free. I think I ordered this about a couple weeks ago. I only have some of the items that I ordered, but there's more coming. I'm just so thankful and I cannot believe it. So let's go ahead and open up the package. My daughter already opened up the tape already, so you have this big bulk of tape for the packages. This is going to be for the boxes that I ordered, which aren't here right now, but I do have this big pack of envelopes. I ordered about 100 of them, but you get all of these for free. So this is going to save me a trip to the post office. I usually just fill my orders at home and I just put it in the mailbox outside and I'm just good to go. Amazing. So if you have any questions about shipping or any platform that I recommend for your business, definitely leave a comment below. Until next time, you guys. Bye.